this model kit review is of the Yak-130, and it is a 1/48 scale model, and it's by Zvezda. And it's a very nice box. Gives you some of the details here, and some of the dimensions, and some of the other models that they make. Let's have a look at the back here. So here's some of the details, the English side there, and there's the finished model. Really looks like a very well made, high quality model product, and I've been very pleasantly surprised by the quality of the Zvezda models. So let's have a look inside. This box is very flimsy, and so they use this outer box here. We have a lot of sprues. Now let's have a look at these screws here. So here's the sprue with the main fuselage, and looking at the details here, you really can see a tremendous amount of detail. These are all recessed panel lines and rivet lines. Yeah, it's really well made. I don't see any flashing or mold lines. I mean, this is just really high quality. You can see here our wheel wells and the fuselage. So over here, this looks like our speed brake over here. And we've got some wheel well covers, some of the gear, sides of the gear wells there. This is our, looks like our stabilizer. Got parts of the main gear. All really well made. Good amount of detail. Part of the cockpit here with the rails for the ejection seat. This really is an incredibly detailed and well-made model kit. So here's the cockpit tub, and the inside of these air intakes with the wheel wells. Additional parts for the air intake here. And looks like we have some leading edges here. Some of the pods for probably fuel tanks. Here we have our turbines. Just incredibly detailed and very well made. Lots of little details. Now here's our glass. I'll give two different options. This one has the explosive breakaway glass here. Little part fell off, but here we go. We've got our pilots with a lot of detail there. We've got our looks like these are for flaps up or down, and wheel parts. Other pilot here, arms, and then these are the flap actuators and our rocket pods. Look at the quality there, just incredible. It's well drilled out, great details. Looks like we have two of those. have some weapons. They come with their rails. Really, really well made and well molded. We have a number of those. And we have two of these ones also with additional weapons and their pylons. We've got wheels, exhaust, lots of little details. There's our ejection seat, and then this piece has already come off. So let's have a look at our decals. Look at the level of detail here. That's just absolutely phenomenal. So here are the painting and decal guides. The different colors here. Really, this is going to be an incredible model, and several different options of color schemes. And then lastly, let's look at our instructions here. What an absolutely amazing model. So you can build it as the flying version. This is the on the ground version, and on the ground with things open. Speed brake. There's the parts listing. And so we start off with the cockpit. We build the wheels and the nose wheel well. And next we move on to the fuselage nose here with the cockpit parts going on. Then our air intakes with the main gear. Then we put out our main gear on, assemble that all into the fuselage. Nose gets put on. And then you have your vents that can be put on open or closed. Then we put our wings on. Using flaps and leading and trailing edges get put on. Wheels get put on. You can have your bay doors open or closed. I always prefer to have them open with the wheels showing. It shows you much more detail and they've got something to stand on. And then we've got our weapon systems going on here. And we have different options for armament here. Okay, so over here looks like these are probably all common decals. So all in all, this is an absolutely tremendous model kit. The quality is exceptional. Decals are amazing. The level of detail is amazing. Really great model kit.